Start. An Indo-Bangladesh Joint Rivers Commission headed by Water Resources Ministers of both the countries is functioning since 1972 with a view to maintaining liaison in order to ensure the most effective joint effort in maximizing the benefits from common river systems. A treaty was signed by the Prime Ministers of India and Bangladesh on 12 December 1996 for the sharing of Ganga's waters. The treaty shall remain in force for a period of 30 years to be renewable by mutual consent. A joint committee has been set up for implementing joint inspections and 968 India 2011 monitoring of the sharing arrangements at Farka in India and a Hardinge Bridge in Bangladesh for the dry season every year. India is providing the flood data of Farka for Ganga and the flood data of Pandu, Gol, Para and Dhubri for Brahmaputra and of Silchar for Barak during monsoon period. To Bangladesh for use of their flood forecasting and warning arrangements. Besides the data of rivers Tista, Mannu, Gomti, Jaldhaka and Torsha, etc. The transmission of flood forecasting information from India during the monsoon, which is being supplied free of cost, has enabled the civil and military authorities in Bangladesh to shift the population affected by flood to safer places. Stop. In the year 2002, the government of India had entered into an memorandum of understanding with China for provision of hydrological information on Yarlung-Jangbu Brahmaputra river in flood season by China to India. Stop. In accordance with the provisions contained in the Memorandum of Understanding, the Chinese side is providing hydrological information in respect of 3 stations located on river Yarlung-Jangbu Brahmaputra from 1st June to 15 October every year. Stop.